What's going on, everybody? So now more than ever, people are looking to make money online from the comfort of their home. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I make a full-time income from my house, guys, on my laptop. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. The cool thing, guys, is I've only been doing this 9 months. I started my YouTube channel May 2019. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get started and how I quit my electrical engineering job. I literally quit like 3 weeks ago at the recording of this video. Today is March 28th, 2020. So I want to talk about my story and how I did it and how you can get started making money online. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to do affiliate marketing, and how to grow an online business. So if you want to learn more, subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with some amazing videos in 2020 and beyond. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, how can you make money in 2020? I know a lot of people are, looking to start online business, but they don't know exactly what to do. There's e-commerce, there's Amazon FBA, there's drop shipping, there's all kinds of stuff, right? And I've done it all. I've literally done everything that you can think of. I've done drop shipping, I've done eBay, I've done AliExpress, I've done Amazon FBA, I've done literally everything that you can think of. And the best thing, the easiest thing to get started as a beginner is affiliate marketing. I'm going to tell you exactly why. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about having a product. You don't have to worry about dealing with customer service. You don't have to worry about making a product. You literally can start today. I'm going to show you how it works and how I started my affiliate marketing business. And literally, I was able to quit my job literally beginning of March, so like not that long ago. I've only been doing this 3 weeks full time. I want to walk you through my journey and how you can get started in this business today, okay? So first of all, let me show you. So the main part of my affiliate marketing business was starting a YouTube channel, okay? So the way it works is I create videos on how to make money online, how to use Clickfunnels, stuff like that. So that's what I do as far as an affiliate marketer. Now, you don't have to do that. So you can do affiliate marketing if you're into weight loss, or if you're into pets, or if you're into hunting or camping, anything like that. It really doesn't matter, okay? So the main goal of affiliate marketing is to create content, and with that content, you direct people to a product where they go ahead and buy, okay? So for example, let's take a look at my channel here, okay? So for example, right here, okay, if you can see this video, I make a video on Clickfunnels, which is a software. I teach people how to use it, and then at the end of the video, I direct them to the link in the description where then they go click on the link and then they can purchase the product, and that's how I make commission. I literally don't have to make the product. I don't have to deal with the customer service. It's the easiest thing. Literally, it's the easiest way to make money online, okay? Now, I will tell you, it does take some time in the beginning when you're first starting out. So for example, let me show you my stats on my YouTube channel, okay? Now, you can see here I started in May 2019. Today is the end of March 2020. So you can see in the beginning, it's really slow, and then it gradually goes up, right? So what I'm doing is I'm creating videos, I'm creating video content, and I'm promoting products as an affiliate marketer, okay? And my main goal is to, provide value for people. If you look at any of my videos, I'm providing value for people. I'm giving them, free content. But at the end of the video, if they want to purchase my affiliate products, they can. And that's what I'm doing. It's really, really simple. But a lot of people don't do it because it takes time in the beginning. Now, a lot of people say, well, I don't want to get on YouTube. I don't want to create videos. Well, you can still do it. You can create a blog. So for example, you can create, for example, if someone goes to Google and they type in, let's just say an example, how to lose weight. I guarantee you there's a ton of articles that people create where they can buy an affiliate product. So for example, let's just take a look at one here. How to lose weight fast. Okay, let's take a look and see here. How to lose weight fast, 35 ways. So I guarantee that in this website, there's some sort of an affiliate product that they have in here. So this person, what they did is they created a website giving somebody information. And I guarantee in this website, there's going to be some sort of an affiliate product that they're promoting. Okay, so you can see here a ton of different things. Let's see. Okay, this is going to be more of a gallery. Let me see here. Here we go. So you can see this program here. So they're promoting this program right here. Amy Gorin Not sure what this is, but what I'm saying, guys, is you can promote products either on video or a blog, okay? And that's what I recommend doing, okay? Now, for me, my main source of traffic is YouTube, okay? I create YouTube content, I create videos based on what people are searching, okay? So people are already searching a certain product. So for example, let's take a look at any of these videos here, okay? So if people are looking for this one right here, okay? So this is a book I was promoting. So if someone searches Traffic Secrets book or Traffic Secrets review, I give them a review of the book, and if they want to buy the book, I direct them to the link in the description, and then they go ahead and click the link, and they can buy through my affiliate link, and that's how I make money. Don't need to do any product creation. Don't need to do any customer support. It's literally the best thing you can do to start an online business, okay? Now, I want to show you some stats here. This is one of the main programs I promote. It's just called Legendary Marketer. You can see here in the last 7 days, I've done $1,600. And what this is, it's a program that teaches people how to make money online, how to start their online business. So if you want to learn how to start online business and how you can get started today, I highly recommend this program, guys. This is the program I went through when I first started. You can see here, I'm on the leaderboard here. The last 7 days right here, and then the last 30 days I'm on the leaderboard, okay? So if you want to, if you're looking to make money online, this is a great program to get started with. Basically, you go through a 15-day challenge that literally helps you start your business from complete scratch. Like if you have no idea what you're doing, you're going to get your own coach, your own mentor, and they're going to help you go through this 15-day challenge. This challenge is only $7 at the moment of recording this video. So if you want to learn more, if you want to get started, I recommend you click in the first link below. That's going to help you get started with this business, guys. And that's how you do affiliate marketing. So I basically create content, and I get you to an affiliate offer, and that's how I make money, guys. And that's how I'm making money, especially in these times, because people are looking to make money online now more than ever. So guys, I highly recommend that you do something online. If you don't have any training, if you don't know like how to get started, I highly recommend, guys, start with Legendary Marketer. They literally, for $7, it's one of the best programs to go through. That's how I started when I started my online journey. And guys, I only started 9 months ago. I mean, you can see here in this graph, I started in May. I haven't even been at this a whole year, and I was able to quit my electrical engineering job. I was able to go full time as an affiliate marketer. I've only been doing it 3 weeks, but easily am making $10,000 per month at the moment. And that's the worst month, okay? And so I'm consistently making $10,000 to $20,000 per month as an affiliate marketer. And I say that to not impress you, but impress upon you. And so to show you that it's totally possible, and that, I did it as a complete beginner, and I know you can as well. So hopefully this video was of value to you guys. If you want to get started, like I said, guys, click the first link in the description below. They'll help you get through your first, your 15-day challenge and get you started with your first online business. So anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be coming out with a ton of videos on how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I think you guys are really going to like the content. So please subscribe, and we'll talk soon.